So this is the put in for the lower Eagle. 4,000 on the lower Eagle, and our takeout is the Eagle Park. We just found our own put in. Apparently there's a different put in, but. All right, so I adjusted the paddle out to 205. That's what I normally run on these bigger volume stuff. This is these guys' first time, my first time. They've been looking at this for a few years. They've done actually every section of the Eagle. So I figured this would be a chance to get this section in. So why not try it? There'll be some surf waves, some hulls, some random stuff out here. Just kind of like another one of those fun floats. Any day on the water, I can't complain. You okay? Send it. I like how those shelves kind of offset. It's hard to believe there's an interstate right here. It's like you're like, we're in some remote wilderness. There's a food truck right here. All right, let me call an Uber. I could call an Uber and run our shuttle.
Rains like a fancy. The river turns dark red.
Oh, like blood. So the rain water just washes it all down. You've seen it dark red. That's Martha Stewart's house.
That's gotta be a $10 million house, dude. down here is not as valuable as it is really up down.
Yeah. There's a lot of wind kind of blowing down through here. The characteristics of this is just going to be mostly like what you see right here. A lot of wave trains, really kind of like splashy fun. Great beginner run. Intermediate paddlers that are just learning how to roll. I think this will be, obviously it's higher right now. I wouldn't take a beginner down this. Outside of maybe a raft or like a funyak, like a ducky or something, I think you'd be fine in that. But yeah, I recommend this little section if you're ever around this area. This is the Eagle, the lower Eagle. I think it's fun. I didn't get a clean stroke off of it. I tail tap.
Oh, it's stumped.
It grabbed me. It was like, aye, aye, aye.
I thought you were fucking.
And it was a tight one too. Going for it? That's a fun. That's really good.